Obviously, I think we as a regulator have the interest that the NSPs that we oversee are financially sound, but are also able to provide the services that they're required according to the regulations. So, of course, resilience is key for the industry. It is also key for the member states to ensure that, as I said, the industry function well and are also here when basically times get more difficult. And we've went through a crisis such as the pandemic, and it shows that resilience have to be maintained as possibly as good as possible in every situation. I think looking at the current regulations, we have mechanisms which allow a certain degree of flexibility. And I think we've seen in yesterday's discussion that flexibility contributes to resilience. So I think at one point we can already employ those mechanisms, but there is of course potential to integrate further schemes and measures which enhance resilience. So I think this is something that should become a political discussions at a later stage in time when we discuss an amended regulation or a changed regulatory environment. I think the presentation in the last 2 days have shown that the industries have quite similar mechanisms to cope with resilience. And I think what we also saw from supply chain industries that the solutions how to enhance resilience are always the same. So we have to have buffers, financial, operational, and also flexibilities. The lessons learned from other industries can really be employed for ATM, and I think there should be also an exchange of ideas how we can use those concepts for ATM.